Construction vehicle. Name and sounds. Transport aircraft. Transport aircraft. A transport aircraft is a large cargo plane designed to carry heavy loads and military equipment. It is crucial for air freight and emergency supply missions. Excavator. Excavator digger. An excavator digger is a versatile construction machine used for digging, demolition, and material handling. It is equipped with a hydraulic arm and bucket for heavy-duty work. Space shuttle. Space shuttle. A space shuttle is a reusable spacecraft designed for space exploration and satellite deployment. It played a crucial role in scientific research and space missions. Truck crane. Truck crane. A truck crane is a mobile crane mounted on a truck chassis, used for lifting and moving heavy materials. It is essential in construction, logistics, and industrial operations. Tank truck. Tank truck. A tank truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed to transport liquid or gas in a secure tank. It is commonly used in industries such as fuel distribution and chemical transport. Road roller. Road roller. A road roller is a compaction machine used in road construction to create smooth and solid surfaces. It is essential for laying asphalt and compacting soil. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is a powerful construction machine used for pushing large amounts of soil, sand, or debris. It is essential for land clearing and road construction. Motor grader. Motor grader. A motor grader is a construction vehicle used to level and smooth roads and construction sites. It ensures a stable surface for road paving. Concrete pump truck. Concrete pump truck. A concrete pump truck is a construction vehicle with a hydraulic arm that pumps concrete directly to hard-to-reach locations. It improves efficiency in large-scale construction projects. Forklift. Forklift. A forklift is an industrial vehicle used to lift and transport heavy loads in warehouses and construction sites. It is essential for material handling and logistics. Concrete mixer truck. Concrete mixer truck. A concrete mixer truck is used to transport and mix concrete, ensuring consistent quality for construction projects. Its rotating drum prevents the concrete from hardening before use. Ship. Ship. A ship is a massive watercraft used for cargo transport, military operations, or passenger travel. It plays an essential role in global trade and maritime activities. Car. Car. A car is a widely used personal vehicle designed for comfort, speed, and convenience. It is available in various models, from fuel-efficient hybrids to high-performance sports cars. Helicopter. Helicopter. A helicopter is a rotorcraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing, making it ideal for rescue missions, transportation, and military operations. It is highly maneuverable and can access remote locations. Asphalt paver. Asphalt paver. An asphalt paver is a road construction machine used to lay asphalt smoothly and evenly. It is essential for creating durable roads and highways. Bike. Bike. A bike is a simple, two-wheeled vehicle that relies on human pedaling for movement. It is widely used for exercise, recreation, and eco-friendly commuting. Snowplow truck. Snowplow truck. A snowplow truck is a vehicle equipped with a front-mounted blade used to clear snow from roads and highways. It ensures safe travel during winter conditions. Delivery truck. Delivery truck. A delivery truck is a medium-sized vehicle used to transport goods and packages. It plays a crucial role in supply chains and e-commerce logistics. Tank truck. Tank truck. A tank truck is a specialized vehicle designed to transport liquids like fuel, chemicals, or water. It ensures safe and efficient liquid transportation over long distances. Pile driver. Pile driver. A pile driver is a heavy machine used to drive piles into the ground for building foundations. It is critical for constructing bridges, skyscrapers, and piers. Haul truck. Haul truck. A haul truck is a massive off-road vehicle used in mining and heavy construction. It is designed to transport large quantities of rock, ore, and soil. Ambulance. Ambulance. An ambulance is a medical emergency vehicle equipped with life-saving equipment and paramedics. It is used to transport patients to hospitals quickly and safely. Street sweeper truck. Street sweeper truck. A street sweeper truck is a specialized vehicle used to clean streets and public roads. It helps maintain cleanliness by removing dust, debris, and litter. Car transport truck. Car transport truck. A car transport truck is a large vehicle designed to carry multiple cars at once. It is widely used for delivering new and used cars over long distances. Electronic bike. Electronic bike. An electronic bike is a bicycle equipped with an electric motor for assisted pedaling. Bus. Bus. A bus is a high-capacity vehicle used to transport large groups of passengers efficiently. It is a crucial part of urban and intercity public transportation. Train. Train. A train is a series of connected rail cars used for transporting passengers or cargo. Truck crane. Truck crane. A truck crane is a vehicle equipped with a hydraulic lifting system used for lifting heavy loads. It is essential in construction and industrial projects. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. A hot air balloon is an aircraft that rises by heating air inside a large envelope. It is used for tourism, adventure, and scenic flights. Motorbike. Motorbike. A motorbike is a fast and agile two-wheeled vehicle powered by an engine. Ferry. Ferry. A ferry is a passenger and vehicle transport vessel used for short-distance water crossings. It connects islands and coastal cities, reducing travel time. Fire truck. Fire truck. A fire truck is an emergency response vehicle equipped with water pumps, hoses, and rescue tools. It is used by firefighters to combat fires and perform rescues. Excavator digger. Excavator. An excavator is a powerful construction machine with a hydraulic arm and bucket, used for digging and demolition. It is essential in earth-moving, mining, and construction projects.